Make this and win! Create your own Valentine's Day mailbox and win Best in Show. Hey, what's up? It's Jules from Life's Art, and today we're going to make this super cute Valentine's Day box. I love it. Post and win a free art class on Zoom. It's a cute little dog with long shaggy hair, all with a Fringe t-shirt. It was so fun. It's so easy to make. Follow along with me and let's get started. Grab any color t-shirt, red or pink or white, any Valentine's Day colors. I guess you could do purple too. And grab your scissors and a glue gun. Look around your house and find any kind of boxes that you have. I used a medium box, a smaller box, and a solo cup. I'm going to use some tape, a glue gun. That's probably the most important part. So cute. First thing I need to do is make sure that it's got an opening wide enough to put the Valentines in.
Switching. Come on.
cute little shaggy dog. Oh, so adorable. I love it. Look at all this fringe, this cute little hair. You can shake it up. Isn't that cute? He's got a little heart nose. And there's my name so everyone knows whose box this is and what Valentine to put in it. Subscribe and send me a photo of your box so I can choose you as my winner for the free Zoom art class coming in March. So thanks for joining me. I hope you have fun making this. Please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss a day of my art tips and tricks. Till then. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone! Have a simple, easy, do-it-yourself Valentine's Day box.